In this video, I'll show you how to convert USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet on your phone and make sure you can see both USDT and TRX on the home screen. If not, tap the token filter icon in the top right, search for USDT and TRX, and turn them on. Also check that you have enough USDT and a little bit of the network's native coin, like BNB, ETH, or TRX, to pay the network fee. Now, at the bottom of the app, tap Swap or DEX, depending on your version. Go to the Swap tab. In the You Pay or From field, select USDT. In the You Get or To field, select TRX. Make sure both tokens are on the same network, for example, both on BNB Smart Chain or both on Tron if supported. Enter how much USDT you want to convert. Trust Wallet will show you the estimated TRX amount, the price, and network fee. Take a moment to review everything. When you're happy with the details, tap Swap/Confirm and wait for the transaction to finish. Go back to your main wallet screen and you should now see your new TRX balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.